Tonight, we'll be trying this spot called Fancy Sushi for dinner. Now, we heard about this spot from some locals. They said that they serve pretty good sushi, but what caught our attention was they said that this place gives you free food. So we had to check it out to see if it was true or not. Now, inside, the vibe is pretty laid back and relaxed. And before we could overlook the menu, they brought us these bowls of soup. Thank you. Now, I know it looks like some porridge or something, but it's actually a clear broth soup with tempura flakes. While eating the soup, we noticed when the tempura flakes mix with the broth, it creates this soggy noodle consistency. I liked it, but Jerika didn't, so you'll have to rate this by your own individual taste palette. As we continued to overlook the menu, there were a plethora of sushi rolls to choose from. We finally dwindled it down to between two choices. It would be either the volcano roll or the crunchy roll. But once again, before we could even order, they were bringing out more free food. This time, they brought out some sort of roll. Now, we didn't know what it was, so we decided to just kind of try it out just to see. But later on in the video, you'll see our dessert was the biggest surprise. What it tastes like?
It's actually really good. I need some soy sauce.
Okay. Okay, let me taste this.
It's not bad. Yeah, not bad at all. So that's the holiday roll. As I said, holiday roll with some on top of whatever. What is it?
I don't know. It was crab.
But put it on that. So this is the holiday roll. It's got, what is that, shrimp or a crab? I think it's crab. And it's got cream cheese in it. And it looks like it's deep fried. So it's actually pretty good.
For our entree, we decided on the volcano roll. When it came out, we were almost overwhelmed by the gaudiness of the toppings. It came out served on what I think was a bamboo leaf, and it had this cool little light on the dish. But you know it's all about the taste for us.
You don't know what you're doing. Why don't I introduce you to sushi? What you talking about?
It's good.
It's good?
You know, it's just don't have the crunch in my cucumber that I usually get. It's soft.
Let me try. So I'm gonna try mine. Y'all probably can't hear me good. Like you said, like we like with that cucumber.
A little crunch is what I need.
Yep. It's a good roll, yes.
It'll be much better.
It's a good roll. It's
I'm
just
probably an 8 now. If they had that crunch, you probably put it at a 9. I don't know who holding sweet tea making classes.
but
But they
Yeah,
make some good sweet tea in Florida.
Yeah, they do. Remember, you used to always eat down there, and I was like, I ain't eating that. I'm killing this ginger. Right here.
So, to cap the meal off, they gave us, you guessed it, more free food. These are fried Oreos, a staple and favorite of those who frequently dine at Fancy
You
Sushi.
know, you know fried Oreos? Well, there's gonna be more for me. So, I'm gonna try these fried Oreos, alright? And I'm gonna see how they are. Now, I dipped it in a little salt, a little whipped cream. So, I'm gonna try it. Pretty good. Sure you don't want to try them? But they are pretty good. You would think Oreos would be hard, but once they fry them, they are kind of soft, so soft and chewy, which I kind of like soft and chewy.
Pause now.
You can't pause yet. Go ahead and go.
So, we've come to the end of our journey. If you come with me this far, do me a favor, like and subscribe to our channel, and watch these videos here. See you on the next vid.